Guys, so only 40 minutes guys, so because I dropped my car in the glass changes guys. At least meron naman si Papa Jurgen. Woohoo! 40 minutes, not bad. With the Hamsa boy. Alright guys. Alright. Hop, right, mama, right. Okay. Let's go first. I love you guys. Another mama guys. Come on mama guys. This is actual akatsing guys. With Papa today, Papa Jerry today guys. Look at si mama guys. Come on mama. I love you guys and I love mama guys. Say. Woohoo. Look at the catching Papa guys. Look at inside. Woohoo. I love you mama guys. This is it. Guys, so yung video natin guys, hindi yung paano lang. This continuous lang kagat natin ngayon guys. Ngayon naman tayo ng pag-fishing dahil my car I bring to the shop. Okay. Exercise natin guys, oh. Yes, oh. Tinuloy natin, oh. By the way guys, condolence sa IUC family guys. IUC family. Guys, look my friend guys. Woohoo! Mama, I love you mama. Alright. Yan. Condolence to IUC family. Condolence. Yan. Guys, so ngayon na tayo nagpag-fishing guys kasi yung car natin, pinagawa natin yung sa likod. Just lang guys ha. Guys, so continuous natin guys. Yun, si Nato guys sa dulo kapag diri guys, hindi guys sa kabila guys continuous lang tayo guys ha. Grabe guys. Yan guys, ang kalati timba naman guys. Woohoo! Continuous pa, continuous. Woohoo! Mga tayo mga admirer ng mga subscribers natin guys. Alright, continuous ulit natin guys. Alright guys, continuous na tayo guys. Malalaki guys, kundi yung mga mapoy. Yes, actual na catching si Papa Jir guys. Ano sinasabi ko guys? Harvest time na ulit si Papa Jir guys. Ganyan naman yan guys. Habang naghihintay tayo sa sasakyan natin, Papa Jir naman continue sa mga catching guys. Papa Joey. Guys, continuous na tayo guys ha. Guys, pagsamantalay natin guys yung paghahuli natin ngayon guys. Kasi ngayon na tayo may time. Bagay guys, sa tutulong guys ha. Kasi yung ako, I bring my car in the auto shop. Thank you pala kay Robnik Catalia guys. Yan ang huli natin guys. Yan. Siguro mga intrap ko yung sasakyan ko to guys. Yung na-typhoon. Siguro sa 2 hours o 3 hours yung guys. At least continue tayo fishing ngayon guys. Tatawagan doon tayo mamaya ng yung gumawa ng sasakyan natin. Alright. This is it. Right, Papa Joey, right pa mama. Alright, this na guys. So, si Mr. Dunyas. Malakas to guys. Malamang malakas to guys. Laruin natin ng gusto to. Ay, sumasama. Mas paluin guys, si mama guys. Tutay na guys eh. Si mama oh. Alright, si Talaga, si Mr. Talaga guys. Kahit si mama guys. Ayan na ang huli natin guys. Alright. Stop. Actually. At least may vlog tayo guys. After many months tayo hindi nag-fishing. Ito naman ang bago nating fishing guys. Guys. Continuous na tayo guys. Ito rin guys. Ito laki. Mama. Ito guys laki. Mama. Right, mama. Nahuli natin guys Inahuli natin. Mag-test pa tayo kasi na-check the usap. Ulit kami guys. Test mo lang guys ha. Yes sir. Alright guys, continue tayo guys. Yun lang guys. Very windy today guys. Mama. Sizes to guys. Right. Yan nahuli natin guys. Yan. Ito ngayon. Isa lang ha. Finish lang po guys. Finish lang si Papa Jim guys. See? Alright. Mas pula din size, no? Alright. Okay. Good morning guys. Nako, si Torto guys. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, oh. Uy. Uy. Ano nangyari ito? Come on guys. Saan natin nakuha to guys Hindi pa yung nakastyle na gano'n ng kagat yan sa ano lang. Sa panikpik ayun Ayun na. Kita nyo guys. Panikpik lang yan guys. Ayun ang hook Missing hook Yan, kita nyo yan. That's the one. Papa Jerry guys. Missing kung ano nangyari to guys yan ang uli natin guys. Bakit? Dyan lang guys Yan lang nga guys Ito yan. That's the one guys. Ay ano ba yan? Ayun lang guys Ito yung style. That's the one si Papa JJ. How to catch that one, right? Woohoo! Kuntis natin guys. Wala kayo nyan. Alright. Another one. Another one guys. Ayun guys Another one. But not the back guys. See? Slowly lang guys. Mamaya guys, 10 na yan. Alright. So sit down again your bucket with watching in the beautiful beachside Utsalan Suzuki and catching your fish like me, like si Papa Papalatong. See? Ayan guys laki Papa Jerry guys Relax, relax. That's it. Right? Oh, not bad. Continuous na guys. Oh, let me see. That's the one.